To download Medico Connect, click on Play Store, search Medico Connect, click on Medico Connect Practice Management for yellow color and install this app. Now this is your Medico Connect app. Log in with your credential. I already logged in. Now complete these steps before proceeding for teleconsultation. First, add your signature and registration number. As per ICMR is mandatory. For that, click on this 3- line at the left side of the screen at the top. Click on it. Click on Profile. Click on Edit Signature button. Now click and enter your registration number. Now you have two ways to add your signature, through camera and second, add your digital sign. For camera, you need to take a white sheet of paper, sign on that white paper. Now select this camera. Here select camera. Take a clear picture. Click OK. Crop it, adjust it. And your signature is uploaded here. To add digital sign, click on Add Digital Sign button. Sign here through your finger. Click on Save. Now after adding your registration number and your signature, click on the Submit button. Now you have successfully updated your digital signature and registration number. Now your second step is to add bank details. For bank details, you need to go teleconsultation profile. Click on teleconsultation profile. Click on Add View Bank Account. This is your bank detail. Fill your bank details, your account name. Put your account holder name. Your account number. Confirm your account number. IFSC code. Your bank name and branch name will come. It is completely safe to add your bank details with Medico. Click on the Add Account button and your bank details will be updated successfully. And for any edit, you need to email us at our partner@medico.com. Now go back. Your third step is to add appointment slots for teleconsultation. Now to add appointment slots for teleconsultation, click to edit. At the top you can see right above the Add View Bank Account. Click to edit, click on it. After that, click on Monday. Click on morning, click on from, select time, click on to. Now if you select the same time, it will clash and it will show select time greater than the start time. Now again go to 2, select time greater than the start time, 11. Now noon, follow the same step. For evening, and this is night. Now you want the same schedule from Monday to Sunday. Now click on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now these appointment slots will be from Monday to Sunday. Now your fourth step is slot duration for your teleconsultation. Click on slot duration. Now this is in minutes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Click any one of them. There will be difference of that much minute for the next appointment slot for the patient. Now if I select my 15, then your appointment starts from 8 o'clock in the morning. The next appointment slot would be for 8:15, then it will be 8:30 and so on. Now your fifth step is chat validity, chat duration, which is in hours. Now, chat validity, chat duration means your accepted appointment window will be open for that much hours. It can be up to 1 hour also, it can be up to 2, can be 24. Now, languages, select Hindi, Tamil, just click on that, it will be selected. Now click on the online status button. Online status is on, it means you will get new cases for teleconsultation. Now if you want to take any day off from teleconsultation, then click on this online status. When you go offline, you will not get any online cases for teleconsultation. No appointment will be booked for teleconsultation. Click on OK. Your status will be changed to offline. You will not available for teleconsultation. Now if you want to go online, you can go online anytime. Click on the same button and it will go online for teleconsultation. Now click on update button here. All your details will be updated. Now to check that, go to profile, teleconsultation profile and check. All are edits, timing, slots, chat validity, languages, your online status. Now to check your all transaction history, to click on view transaction, you can see your total collected amount, your total cases you have served and the amount which is credited to your account. You can see here. Now, to go back to your home screen, click on the back button at the top. This is your home screen. Now to serve any teleconsultation cases, you need to go to Teleconnect from home screen. When you get any new consultation for teleconsultation, you will get a notification in your app like this, that you received an online booking, schedule on date with patient and phone number. Now this is the case on the active screen. To decline your teleconsultation, just click on the decline button and the case will be declined and the amount will be refunded to the patient. Now to accept any case, click on the accept button. Click on accept. Kindly wait till it connects. Now this is your chat room with the patient. Now this message notification will go to the patient. The doctor have accepted your online appointment. Now here you can see your patient details, the amount he paid, all. Now to send message, click here, type and send. Now to send prescription to your patient, click on this plus sign here. Click on it. You can upload prescription in two ways. Write medical advice, second upload medical advice. To upload any medical advice, click on this upload medical advice button. Accept this document, first read it and then accept. Camera screen will open. Take a picture. Click on OK. And kindly upload your prescription with your medical letterhead. Notification and email will go to the patient that you have uploaded your medical advice. Now to add your medical advice, and the second form, which is write medical advice. Click on write medical advice button. Accept the notice. Now click and search your medicine. Type here. The list will come. Select. Enter days, dosage, instruction, and click on add. You can add as many medicine you want to add, more than one. Now if you want to refer any pharmacy, click on refer to pharmacy button. If there is no pharmacy, you will get no list. Same. If there is any lab you want to refer, click on refer to lab. Now if you want to add any diagnosis, click on diagnosis and add. Click on clinical notes if you have, add, and now click on the upload prescription button. Now the PDF is generated. Again, email and notification will go to the patient. Now here you can see your both prescription file as an image and one as a PDF. When you click on PDF, select. This is your prescription PDF. Go back. Now to see your image file, click on the image. Now this is your image prescription. Now to have a video consultation, click on the video icon at the top. A notification will go to the patient. Like this, a notification will go to the patient. When he will accept, the video screen will open. Now, if you want to go back, are you sure to exit chat room? Click on OK. Came back to the active screen. Now this is your history. Or your past consultation will come here. If there is no cases, it will show no past cases. And if you want to check for yesterday, click on July 8. Two cases, one is declined, one was served. Click on served. This is your case details, your invoice, your medical advice file, which is your prescription. This is the served case. You can check your chat history. Now go back. Now to claim your payment for served cases, you need to click on the claim payment button, which only come after the appointment status will change to served.